Okay, this video about tutorial SketchUp for basic about luxurious mansion. We can use this rectangle in here, and for the dimension about this luxurious mansion, line is around 30 meter and 30 meter approximately. Okay, and I will erase, then continue to the next steps, and I will make the curve wall or curve glazing wall for this luxurious mansion. But before, I will share you about how to make a basic meshing of this mansion in here. Okay, we can make the curvy in here with using the 2-point arc. Okay, we can make the curvy in here and also in this position and also in this position. So this is the curvy area that we can make. Then we can push it up around 5 meter and enter. Then you can click this one and select move, type control around 4 or 5 meter approximately, and we can draw this to this position. And then we can triple click all, make group, and click this surface and edit, copy, okay, and edit, paste in place, and offset it outside around 2 meter, and erase the one of the inner line over there. Then we can push it up around 500 millimeter and make group. Okay, then we can assign the materials first. For the roof, I with using the basic dark in here, and we can use the another glazing materials with using blue glazing in here. Okay, something like this. Then we can add the line over there. You can select move, tap control in here approximately, and in here, and you can type / and enter. And okay, then we can assign the materials, and we can assign the swimming pool. We can make the curvy swimming pool in here. Okay, we can erase unnecessary line over there, and we can use the water. Okay. But before, we have to offset it outside first. Okay, then we can assign the water materials, and we can use the another materials in here, and we can draw the freehand. Okay, this is for placement, this is for the plan placement in here. Okay, and don't forget to assign the landscaping. Okay, and now we can assign the concrete materials. We can use this one. Okay, then we can use the another materials. Okay, like this, and we can add more materials. Anyway, we can add more materials from the library. I've prepared about the materials before, so I will use this one. Copy, and we have to copy. Okay, maybe I will assign with this one, and we can assign the glazing with using the blue glass materials over there. And I think it would be great if we create the another materials. Okay, I use this one, and don't forget to upsize the texture like this approximately, and I will synchronize for the right side walls with these materials. Okay, now we can add a little bit canopy in here. We can push it to the front, and we can adjust the line, or we can add the line again. We can make group. Okay, we can assign about the canopy area in here. Okay, and I've already prepared the 3D warehouse object in here, so I will copy it and place to this appropriate position. Okay, I mean it was great position, but we have to adjust about the landscaping. And I think this is a great position also, and we can add the landscaping in here. Okay, and after that we can add more component. We can add more component like a rectangle in here. Okay, and also the rectangle in here. Okay, then we can make this one. Okay, I mean it was a great composition. I think it was great composition of the facade texture in here, and we can also add more. We can move it up a little bit. Okay, and we can add more component. We can use the silhouette people, or maybe we can use this one in here and also use this one. Okay, thanks for watching. This is about the very basic concept model, so you can develop this one to be a advanced model or more detailed model, and you can improve about the landscaping, canopy, roofing. You can improve for a little bit a glitch in here, and you can add more details in here on the landscape. And this is just very basic, but we can draw it quickly to attract about our imagination, to attract about our great imagination before we develop the drawing to be more detailed drawing and the more detailed 3D. Thanks for watching, and I hope it will be inspired to all of you. And just wait for my next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a good day.